Hello and welcome to Biology by Vivo, and this is your educator Vivo Prasad Ratha. And in this video I am going to discuss about the rest of the MCQs. Those are from the fungus part for the preparation of the SSB and also for other state entrance examination. And yes, this video is also important for the CSR aspect and also for the GATE aspect, because वहाँ पर भी जो column matching questions आते हैं वो भी इस तरह के questions को पूछ लेते हैं. तो आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए, और हाँ, इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद इसको सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए चैनल को, और आपको इस वीडियो को लाइक भी करना है और उसको आपके फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर भी करना है. और हाँ, यहाँ पर आपको कुछ फीडबैक्स भी देना है, जो कि अगर आप वीडियो के कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स के बारे में हो या फिर कौन से नए वीडियोस लाने चाहिए, तो उसके ऊपर भी आप अपना फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में दे सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. If the reproductive structure in fungus develops from entire thallus, it is called dash. So it is called holocarpic. Then, which one of the following is an edible fungus? The answer is option B, that is Agaricus campestris. We know this is also called mushroom. Then, fungi which grow on dung are termed as dash. They are termed as corpophilus. Then, the commercial source of penicillin is dash. The answer is penicillin chrysogenium. देखिए, पेनिसिलिन नोटाटम उससे सबसे पहले पेनिसिलिन को प्रोड्यूस किया जाता था, लेकिन वो कमर्शियली बेनिफिशियल नहीं है. फिर ए फंगस पैरासाइटिंग ऑन अनदर फंगस इज कॉल्ड डैश. द आंसर इज सी, दैट इज माइकोपैरासाइट. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोड्यूस अंडरस्पोर्स ऑन व्हीट प्लांट्स? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज पॉक्सिनिया, and specially Poccinia graminis. Then, which one of the following is an example of a mutualism? The answer is option A, that is mycorrhiza. पिछले वीडियो में भी मैंने कहा था कि आपको एक्टोमाइकोराइजा, एंडोमाइकोराइजा और पूरा का पूरा माइकोराइजा के ऊपर भी नॉलेज रखना पड़ेगा. Aflatoxin is produced by dash. The answer is option A, that is Aspergillus. Reproduction in rhizopus takes place by dash. The answer is option A, that is Isogametangia. In Saccharomyces, meiosis occurs in dash. The answer is option B, that is Ascus. In the phenomenon which led to discovery of penicillin is called dash. The answer is option B, that is antagonism. Then, Columella in the sporangium is not found in dash. The answer is option D, that is yeast. देखिए, ये जो 84 का क्वेश्चन है जिसमें कि पूछा गया कि पेनिसिलिन जो डिस्कवर किया गया वो कहाँ से डिस्कवर किया गया, और उसका जो आंसर आया एंटागोनिज्म. तो उसका आंसर एंटागोनिज्म क्यों है, आपको वो जानने के लिए आपको अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग का वो हिस्ट्री जानना पड़ेगा कि वो कैसे उन्होंने जो इनहिबिशन पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए ये पेनिसिलिन को डिस्कवर किया था. फिर एरिसिफे पॉलीगोनी इज कॉजेस डैश. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज पाउडरी मिल्ड्यू ऑफ अ पी प्लांट. देखिए, ये जो ऐसे तरह के क्वेश्चन होता है, ये गेट का जो 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है उसके लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पर भी आप देख सकते हो बहुत सारे पैथोजेंस के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आता है कि कौन सा पैथोजन कौन सा डिजीज कॉज करता है. तो उस तरह के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन बहुत ही जरूरी हो जाता है. फिर आता है हाइपरट्रॉफी ऑफ अ फ्लोरल पार्ट इज कॉज्ड बाय डैश. द आंसर इज ऑल्सो ए, दैट इज सिस्टोपस. देन लाइफ साइकिल शोज डाइकैरियोटिक फेज एंड हैप्लॉइड इन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज पेनिसिलिन. Then fungal spores born on hypha, not different from vegetative hypha, are known as dash. The answer is also C, that is oidea. Then budding of a yeast result in production of a 2 dash. The answer is option C, that is daughter nuclei. In penicillium, the hypha are dash. The answer is option D, that is septate and multinucleate. The phenomenon in which plasmogamy, karyogamy and haploidization do not follow a sequence in terms of a time and space is known as dash. The answer is option B, that is parasexuality. Fungus lacking cross walls in the mycelium belongs to dash. The answer is option B, that is Phycomycetes. Then Poccinia produces aesiospores on dash. The answer is lower surface of barberry leaves. Then which one of the following is not a parasite? The answer is option D, that is agaricus. देखिए, agaricus parasite नहीं होता है, वो मोस्टली वो सैप्रोफाइट होता है. ठीक है, और उसको हम लेकर मोस्ट ऑफ द agaricus we eat them, we feed them. ठीक है. Then when the negative cells fuse together, it is known as dash. The answer is option D, that is somatogamy. Heterothallism was discovered in dash. The answer is option C, that is Rhizopus. Mutualistic association of a fungus with the roots of a higher plants is called dash. द आंसर इज माइकोराइजा. देखिए इसके ऊपर मैं पहले भी बहुत सारे वार्निंग दे चुका हूं कि आपको माइकोराइजा के ऊपर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Which of the following is wrong concerning Poxinia graminis? तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन बी आएगा. इट प्रोड्यूसेस एसियोस्पोर्स ऑन बारबेरी लीव्स. ये रॉन्ग है क्योंकि बाकी जो भी आप ऑप्शन देखिए वहाँ पर व्हीट प्लांट है और आप पॉक्सिनिया ग्रामिनिस इसी नाम से देखिए. ये ग्रामिनी फैमिली में ही डिजीज करता है मोस्टली. ग्रामिनी जो कि व्हीट फैमिली या फिर ग्रास फैमिली होता है उसी फैमिली में ये डिजीज कॉज करता है. तो यहाँ पर बारबेरी लीव्स जब लिखा गया है तो वो रॉन्ग होगा. ठीक है. फिर व्हेन फंजी ग्रो ऑन बर्न्ट वुड दे आर कॉल्ड डैश. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज जाइलोफिलस. देन ringworms in man are caused by dash. The answer is option D, that is microsporum. Plants can be made disease resistant by dash. The answer is option D, that is breeding with their wild relatives. Which one of the following is used in preparation of a cheese? The answer is option B, that is penicillium. An open ascocarp is called dash. The answer is option A, that is apothecium. Then which of the following is used in the baking of bread? The answer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is option B. We also call this baker's yeast. The mycelium of a mucor breaks up into a chain of bead-like structures called oidea. If it is kept in the medium rich in sucrose solution, the phenomenon is known as dash. The answer is option B, that is torula stage. Green mold is the common name of a dash. The answer is option D, that is penicillium. A group of spores constitute a dash. The answer is option B, that is sorus. Reproduction in mucor takes place by dash. The answer is option A, that is isogametes. Then basidospores are characteristic of a dash. The answer is option B, mushroom. The mushroom के जगह पर आपको ऑप्शन में agaricus भी दे सकता है जो कि उसका साइंटिफिक नेम होता है. The most common group of algae in lichens is dash. The answer is option A, that is green algae. The number of nucleus or nuclei in Conidiosporangium are dash. The answer is option D, that is 3 to 8. Lichens are known as pioneers of vegetation in a dash. The answer is option D, that is Lithosphere. A fungus which shows haplontic, haplobiontic and haplodiplobiontic life cycle or diplontic life cycle is dash. The answer is option A, that is yeast. Then the branch of fungi which deals with bacteria, virus and fungi is known as dash. The answer is option B, that is microbiology. If आपको सिर्फ फंगस के ऊपर पूछा जाता तो उसका आंसर माइकोलॉजी आता. वायरोलॉजी सिर्फ वायरस के लिए होता है, माइकोलॉजी सिर्फ फंगस के लिए होता है और बैक्टीरियोलॉजी सिर्फ बैक्टीरिया के लिए होता है. स्टिंकिंग स्मॉट इज कॉज्ड बाय डैश. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज टिलेसिया कैरिज. The Irish famine occurred in 1845 in North Europe due to the destruction of a potato plant by dash. The answer is B, that is a parasitic fungus. Osmia, a fructicose lichen is commonly known as dash. The answer is option B, that is old man's beard. Then the fructification of a lichens is usually dash. The answer is option A, that is apothecium. Which of the following is a facultative parasite? The answer is option A, that is fusarium. The carps of Plectomycetes are also termed as dash. The answer is option B, that is Clistothecium. In Poxinia, diplodization occurs in dash. The answer is option B, that is Telentospore. Fungal hyphae are arranged in a parallel manner constitute dash. That is Hymenium. Then which of the following groups contains Cenocytic mycelium? The answer is option A, that is Phycomycetes. Mycorrhiza is a relationship between fungi and roots of higher plants. It is a dash. The answer is option C, that is symbiotic relationship. Filaments of sterile cells interspersed with asci or basidia are called dash. The answer is option A, that is paraphysis. The process of plasmogamy in yeast is known as dash. The answer is option C, that is somatogamy. An abnormal growth of a plant caused by excessive cell division as a result of attack by a parasite is called dash. The answer is option B, that is hypertrophy. In penicillium, the terminal branches bearing the conidia in chains are known as dash. The answer is option B, that is sterigmata. In the absence of oxygen, rhizopus will live longer in dash. The answer is option D, that is no effect. Which of the following represents unrelated pair? The answer is option B, that is ascocarp and archegonium. Lichens are not found in Delhi because of dash. The answer is A, that is air pollution. T.S. Sadasivan is famous for dash. The answer is option A, that is mycologist. Reindeer moss is the common name for dash. The answer is option C, that is Claudonia rangifera. The percentage of lichens having Basidiomycetes mycetos mycobionts is dash. The answer is option B, that is 4%. The growth of lichens is very slow because they dash. They have very little photosynthetic tissue represented by algae. Then, if the two partners of lichens are separated, then dash will happen. The answer, fail to grow on minimal medium. मिनिमल मीडियम क्या होता है ना, जहाँ पर न्यूट्रिएंट का कुछ कुछ कमी होता है, मतलब कि वहाँ पर कुछ एनरिचमेंट पाया नहीं जाता है, तो उस तरह के मीडियम में वो माइक्रोबायंट्स या फिर फाइकोबायंट्स अगर उसको हम इंडिविजुअली ग्रो करें तो वो ग्रो नहीं करता है. तो इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब यही था. द परसेंटेज ऑफ आल्गा इन ए लाइकेंथैलस इज डैश. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 1%. Azygospore in rhizopus develops from dash. The answer is B, that is unfertilized gametangium. The mycelium of albugo is dash. The answer is D, that is unseptate and multinucleate. The fruiting body of aspergillus is called dash. The answer is option B, that is Clistothecium. Then the sex organ in albugo are dash. The answer is option C, that is multinucleate. Puffball is the common name for dash. The answer is option A, that is Lycopodon. One of the following is a saprophyte but can also become parasite. The answer is option C, that is both Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus fumigatus. Toadstools, puffballs and bracket fungi belong to dash. The answer is option A, that is Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes is the most advanced fungus in the class of fungus. The structure in the female sex organ of Aspergillus which receive the contents of anthridium is termed as dash. The answer is option D, that is trichogyne. Fusion between mother cell and daughter cell during budding in yeast is called dash. The answer is option C, that is pedogamy. Aspergillus causes otomycosis in man. This is an example of a dash. The answer is option B, that is facultative parasitism. The branch of botany which deals with fungi is known as dash. The answer is mycology, option B. The sporangium produced by zygospore of a rhizopus differs from the sporangium of asexual reproduction in dash. The answer is option A, that is having diploid spores. Which of the molecule listed below is the product of a fermentation of a glucose by yeast? The answer is option C, that is C2H5OH. We know it is ethanol. Okay, that's why we also call yeast the brewer's yeast. Okay, जो कि अल्कोहल प्रोडक्शन के लिए भी काम में लिया जाता है. Burnt disease of wheat is caused by dash. The answer is option C, that is Tilletia. The absolute requirement of oxygen should be fulfilled for the survival of a certain organism. These are called dash. The answer is option C, that is obligate aerobes. Branched conidiophores are found in dash. The answer is option A, that is Penicillium. The fungus Neurospora has been extensively used in the study of dash. The answer is B, that is genetics. आपको पता होगा कि जब टेट्राड एनालिसिस हम जेनेटिक्स में करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम न्यूरोस्पोरा क्रासा को काम में लेते हैं, तो इसीलिए जेनेटिक्स स्टडी में न्यूरोस्पोरा का रोल बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. द कॉमन फाइकोबायंट इन ए लाइकेन इज डैश. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ट्रिबक्सिया. The fungus causing damping of a disease is called dash. The answer is option B, that is facultative parasite. Algae and fungi are characterized by the possession of a dash. The answer is option B, that is unicellular jacketed sex organs. Then green ear disease of bajra is caused by dash. The answer is C, that is Sclerospora graminicola. Loose spot of a barley is caused by dash. The answer is option D, that is Ostilago nuda hodei. The zygospore in rhizopus develops into dash. The answer is option D, that is Ostilago hodei. The zygospore in rhizopus develops into dash. The answer is option B, that is Zygosporangium. Penicillium is a member of a dash. The answer is option D, that is Ascomycetes. Cyphella is lichens are analogous to which of the following structure in higher plants? The answer is option A, that is stomata. Then the morphological feature of lichens are because of its dash. The answer is option B, that is mycoband. Streptomycin was first isolated in 1994 and 1995 by dash. The answer is option D, that is Waxman. Agaricus or toadstools cannot manufacture own food because of dash. The answer is option C, they lack chlorophyll. Diplanatism is exhibited by dash. The answer is option A, that is Saprolegnia. A fungus whose extract of a sclerotia can be chemically altered to produce a powerful hallucinogenic drug is called dash. The answer is option A, that is Claviceps purpurea. Then the fruit juices turn bitter in taste if they are kept in open place for some time because of dash. The answer is option D, that is, यहाँ पर सब के सब ऑप्शन आपको सही है, जैसे कि सम इंटरनल फैक्टर्स, देन फर्मेंटेशन ऑफ द जूस बाय ईस्ट, देन बैक्टीरिया ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर रिएक्ट विद द जूसेस. देन algal component of the lichen is reproduced by dash. The answer is option D, that is cell division only. Lichens reproduced by dash. The answer is option B, that is Soridia. Extracellular digestion occurs in dash. The answer is option C, that is Rhizopus. Blackwort disease of a potato is caused by dash. The answer is option D, that is Syncytium endobioticum. One of the common fungal disease of a man is called dash. The answer is option A, that is ringworm. ये तो आप सभी ने मोस्टली हॉस्टल में जो लोग रहते हैं या फिर कुछ अलग लोकेशन पे जाके पहले बार शिफ्ट होते हैं, उन लोगों का ये एक्सपीरियंस होगा कि वहाँ पर रिंगवर्म हो जाता है. तो इसी के साथ ये वीडियो कंप्लीट हो रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस देन डू फॉलो, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, एंड येस डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच दिस एंड स्क्रीन वीडियोज इन योर एंड स्क्रीन ऑप्शंस. थैंक यू.